tutorials, confused by C++ and wondering if Java is still cool or if you just wasted a whole semester, right? I got you. So, I'm gonna tell you exactly which language to learn in 2025 based on your goals, your vibe, and what actually gets you hired. So, first thing first, you need to know what you want, not what your batchmate is going, not what your cousin from IIT said. You. So, here is a super chill guy. Wanna get into AI, ML, data science, or automation? Hello, Python. Because if you want to get career in AI, ML, data science, you have to learn Python. Dreaming of competitive programming or cracking that DS around, it's C++ all the way. Looking for solid backend dev or corporate job at place like Infosys Wipro, stick to Java. She's old school but powerful. Want startup vibes, modern backend or system level magic? Try Go or Rust, spicy and trendy. Want to build website or full stack projects? You need JavaScript in your life. It's literally everywhere. Okay, let me spill the industry. Python is in demand like never before. Everyone from startup to NASA loves it. Java still strong in the industry, especially in those सर पैकेज कितना मिलेगा जॉब्स C++ is quoted for product based companies but tough level. Okay, go and trust at the hot new thing. If you learn them, you're instantly different in the job pool. JavaScript, you literally can't scroll through a job board without seeing her. So if you want Python, this give is soft, like it's easy to pick up and flexible. And if you're gonna choose Java, strict but stable, you will curse a little at first, then love the structure. C++, straight up toxic at first, but once you master her, you will feel unstoppable. Go or Rust, modern, slightly underrated but big career glow up potential. JavaScript, unpredictable, wild, but also super fun once you get the hang. Then, what is my advice? Start with Python if you are new. She will hold your hand and guide you into tech heaven. But don't get hooked up in one language. Learn based on your dream role. Switching is normal. You are exploring, and please don't stress over which one is perfect. Technology changes, but your passion and consistency are actually matter. So stick with it for 2 to 3 months and build something. If you are still confused, drop your goal in the comment. I'll be your guide through which language you should choose. If you have any query, you can comment down. Thanks for watching the video.